In this demo, we will look at some of the ways in which IFP provides a powerful and flexible solution for analysis and planning of employment-related expenses. The database may be configured to fit local requirements, but normally involves data organized by company, cost center, account, and employee. Employees normally have a unique identification number. Here it is a 3-digit number, but it may be of any length. Some typical cost centers are in this table. Additional variables may be created to support analysis and planning procedures. Typical examples would be job status, grade, and HQ classifications. Actual and forecast data are stored by month, but may be analysed in quarterly and annual formats. An unlimited number of management reports may be defined. These might include analyses of key ratios such as sales or cost per employee. Note that this report includes data for headcount variables, which are examples of what we call external variables in IFP. Data for external variables may be stored on a monthly basis in an unlimited set of scenario files for each year. These external variables show headcount assumptions and forecast net sales by cost center. All reports and graphical output may be produced at any level of detail. For example, by account with subtotals by cost center and company. Alternatively, you may use your own report definitions, for example the key ratios report that we saw earlier. Let's have a look at some example reports. This report is a simple analysis of monthly expenses by account and cost center. Many analyses of variances between actual and forecast data are available. This example shows year-to-date variances between actual, plan and prior year expenses. Other useful analyses would define columns for each status or grade of employee. Many graphical analyses are also available. This shows the breakdown of monthly planned field force expenses by cost center. Planning of employment expenses involves two main classes of expense, that is, directly determined expenses, for example salaries, and dependent expenses, for example social security and insurance costs. For directly determined expenses such as salaries, common values may be easily managed. Suppose you wanted to enter a salary of $5,500 per month for all employees. This is very quickly entered in a single operation. Percentage salary increases for selected employees may easily be applied. For example, a 5% increase from July onwards is as simple as this. Some expenses are determined by fixed relationships with salaries and/or bonus payments. IFP provides a flexible set of models to support convenient automatic calculation of such related amounts. The most convenient method for developing data models is via Excel. In this example, monthly Social Security amounts are set at 13% of the total of all salary amounts. In this case, accounts starting 310 for any salary. In the second example, monthly group insurance amounts are set at 2.5% of the total of all salary amounts for any salary between 0 and 4,000 per month, and at 4% of total salary over 4,000 per month. An unlimited number of data models may be created in each IFP database. Each model may be based on different variables with different percentages. For example, there may be a proposal to increase social charges from 13% to 14%. Data models are conveniently imported from Excel by mapping IFP model parameters to the relevant columns in the source file. These data models may be applied to any selected forecast scenario for any period. Here we will apply a data model for a projection including actuals to April. As you can see, Social Security amounts are quickly computed for all employees. In fact, the same method can be used in one operation for all employees in an entire organisation. The results of applying these models can easily be validated by running suitable reports. For example, this shows that the computed percentage Social Security amount across all employees is in fact in line with the assumed rate of 13%. There are many other useful aspects of the IFP solution for employment expense planning. Please contact us for further information or to arrange a full demo.